New for 2024 are the two new sizes of dual Mark II pole rollers. Now we've made some massive improvements on the original version. Let me talk you through them now. First improvement is the end blocks. Now we've improved the tolerances on these, so when the legs lock into position, they lock very securely, so you've got a very stable pole roller. Secondly, and one of the biggest improvements if you own a current dual pole roller, is the pins that go through the block. Now originally that was a plastic pin. We've actually changed that to reverted screw. So basically you've got a screw going into a screw. So the chance of those ever coming undone or you losing them is very remote. So that's a big change to this. We've also changed the leg mechanism here. So when you want to change a leg, it's very simple now. Simply press the button, it slides out, and you can interchange your leg to a smaller or bigger version should you wish. We've also improved the leg locking mechanism. Now we've changed that to a cam lock. The original version had a screw down lock. This is now a cam lock, so it clicks into place very securely and it ensures your leg doesn't actually slip. Moving on to the main roller now, we've kept the extruded foam. Now there's a couple of reasons for that. The biggest one is with EVA, as the roller turns, you get a vibration because it's actually machined, so you never get a perfect circular shape. But with extruded foam, you do. So we've kept those on this roller now. And they're also soft, so it obviously eliminates any vibration and also protects your pole. Moving on to the central divider, we've improved that so it's much easier to use, much easier to move across the pole roller. You can move it into two different location points, to the left or the right. So if you're double shipping, that's a massive plus. We've also included a spirit level for those of you who want to make sure everything's level and working correctly. We've also included a locking mechanism here, so you can actually add a carabiner clip there. So if you're fishing big venues where you might come across some adverse weather conditions, you can simply put a carabiner clip on that, weigh it down, and your pole roller's all secured and ready to go. Now also available for the dual pole roller is the extra long leg set. These are available in a set of 4, cam lock fitting, and for those of you who fish venues with, I don't know, sloping banks behind you, anywhere where you need some extra length on legs, these are perfect. Now these extend up to 1.5 metres, so you can take your roller to 1.5 metres in height, or obviously if the banks are sloping behind you, you can use a shorter leg kit at the front of the roller and a longer leg kit at the back to obviously deal with those sloping bank situations. Now these are called dual pole rollers for a reason. They've got a dual use, a dual purpose. Now they've been designed as a pole roller, but there's a very clever idea we've added to it. You can transform your pole roller into a rod roost. Now days where you may be fishing, I don't know, a Saturday pole only event, and then Sunday you move to a bigger venue like Boddington where it's more rocky and you need a rod roost. You'll be feeder fishing most of the day and you need a roost to support your rods. This clever idea works a treat. You simply remove your central roller off here, your central support, and this clever idea simply transforms a pole roller into a rod roost. Two sizes available. You've got a medium for your medium pole roller, and the big boy here, as you can see, works exactly the same, but obviously because it's got a bigger footprint, it gives you more additional spaces for extra rods. Brilliant idea. Like I say, two sizes available, a medium and a large, and to be honest, it's a brilliant concept. Now both rollers are also supplied in a very deluxe pole bag, and it's also got zip compartments inside for all your odds and bits, so your short legs, which these actually come with, you can put those in there. You can keep your additional roosts in there, so you can keep everything you require in that one bag. So there you go, we've covered the main talking points of the new MAP dual pole rollers. These are going to be in all MAP stockists very soon.